There's kind of a funky green type of an aroma there. I'm getting almost like a spinach kind of a thing. Well, but there's a little clover in there. All right. Well, let's see what taste buds have to say about that. Oh, I know what the taste buds are saying. Where's the beer? Where's the beer? Sorry, guys. It's not there. That's the lightest beer I have ever tasted. I mean, I've done, and I'm including Coors, and oh boy, there was one the other day I tried that just was a rice beer. It had no body and very little flavor, and I can understand. You need some malt in there to get the enzymes working so that you can ferment the rice. What's in the rice? A starch, turn the starch into sugars. But this one's the lightest. This is the lightest thing I've ever had in my life, almost. So, does Belgian White Nitro Belgian-Style Wheat Beer meet expectations? Sorry, kids, this one doesn't. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great. Share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.